at some point, we need to look at that.
That's another question in itself.
And the point that was just made was if a senior employee leaves, when you're talking to a senior employee right now that's got 30 plus some years of experience with us, so there's 30 some plus years of purchasing tools. The next guy we may hire, which we did hire a young fellow, he doesn't have 30 years of experience of collecting tools. So at some point, the city will need to address that within our garage if we stay in the total garage business.
Right. Well, the diagnostic tools are ours, correct?
That is in the budget. We have prepared for the purchase of some diagnostic equipment for our garage. And we have to stay on top of that with the vehicles that are manufactured today. We have to have those.
Yeah, you need metric tools.
Right, exactly. So, but yeah, at some point, my recommendation would be we look towards the purchase of tools for the garage. The diagnostic equipment was still present in our budget, but the tools weren't. And the comment I got back was the diagnostic equipment is most important to us now. Now, on the flip side of that, if our senior mechanic decides to retire anytime in the near future, there's a lot of tools,
Yes.